Kementeri Bnai ketenat ke koi ke kia ikong amperin lengdok ila penmena bak Sorkar mkhlea ke Thmu ban Pynsdang Treikam ya ke Shillong Medical College and Hospital Naduh Bnai Nailur senam arhajar penriu. Ke Sorkar jelah ke si ke kmi ya ke jinyat syakmat jong ke jing penteri ke balas slam jong ke Shillong Batura Medical College and Hospital. Kini kementeri ke pentip ru bak ke Sorkar jelah ke penkrea hi dalade na ke bentah ke jing jurup kaban sepenlong dak National Medical Council ke Sorkar ke sepenlong ru ya ke jing Thepkam ya ki doktor ke pentup ya ki military doctor ki bala syong thaj bat ki bala ban hikai
and progressing rapidly. Tura Medical College, we expect it to be likely operational sometime 26-27. Not able to really give a definitive time frame because it is going to be difficult. We are still working on a lot of the infrastructure institutioning because it is very necessary. If everything goes right, Shillong Medical College should be functional by September of 2026. We are on road. Looks like we may be able to do it. In fact, we've had several consultations with doctors already in the system, and we will have to also open out expression of interest to doctors.
ke Sorkar jelah